Welcome to this video on zero-knowledge proofs, one of the most revolutionary concepts in blockchain privacy. Zero-knowledge proofs, often abbreviated as ZKPs, represent a breakthrough in cryptography that allows you to prove something is true without revealing any of the underlying information. This technology is transforming how we think about privacy and verification in digital systems. Throughout this video, we will explore what zero-knowledge proofs are, how they work, and why they matter for blockchain applications. A zero-knowledge proof is a cryptographic method that enables one party, called the prover, to convince another party, called the verifier, that a specific statement is true. The remarkable feature is that this happens without revealing any information beyond the fact that the statement is valid. Think of it this way. Imagine proving you know a secret password without actually telling anyone what the password is. That is the essence of zero-knowledge proofs. The prover demonstrates knowledge without exposing the knowledge itself, and the verifier gains confidence in the truth of the claim without learning anything else. To understand zero-knowledge proofs intuitively, let us look at the famous Ali Baba's cave example. In this scenario, there is a circular cave with a magic door in the middle that can only be opened with a secret password. The prover claims to know this password. To prove it without revealing the password, the prover enters the cave through one of two paths while the verifier waits outside. The verifier then randomly asks the prover to exit from either the left or right side. If the prover truly knows the password, they can always exit from whichever side the verifier requests by passing through the magic door. By repeating this process multiple times with random requests, the prover convinces the verifier they know the password, without ever revealing what it is. For a cryptographic protocol to qualify as a true zero-knowledge proof, it must satisfy three essential properties. First is completeness, which means that if a statement is true, an honest prover can always convince an honest verifier. Second is soundness, which ensures that if the statement is false, no dishonest prover can trick the verifier into believing it is true, except with negligible probability. Third is the zero-knowledge property itself, which guarantees that even if the statement is true, the verifier learns absolutely nothing beyond the validity of that statement. No additional information about the secret or the underlying data is leaked during the proof process. These three properties work together to create a secure and private verification system. Zero-knowledge proofs come in two main categories. Interactive ZKPs require multiple rounds of communication between the prover and verifier, like a conversation going back and forth. The Ali Baba's cave example we discussed earlier is an interactive proof because the verifier repeatedly challenges the prover with random requests. Non-interactive ZKPs, on the other hand, allow the prover to create a single proof that can be verified by anyone without any back-and-forth communication. Non-interactive proofs are especially valuable for blockchain applications, where a proof might be posted on-chain and verified by many different parties who cannot directly communicate with the original prover. Now let us dive into zk-SNARKs, which stands for Zero-Knowledge Succinct Non-Interactive Argument of Knowledge. The term succinct means that the proofs are extremely small in size and can be verified very quickly, even if the underlying computation is complex. Non-interactive means that only a single proof message is needed, with no rounds of communication required. However, zk-SNARKs have one important requirement. They need what is called a trusted setup. This is an initial ceremony where certain cryptographic parameters are generated. If these parameters are compromised, someone could potentially create fake proofs. Despite this requirement, zk-SNARKs are widely used because of their efficiency and compact proof sizes. zk-STARKs represent a newer approach, standing for Zero-Knowledge Scalable Transparent Argument of Knowledge. The scalable property means they can handle larger computations more efficiently, making proof generation faster for complex operations. The transparent property is particularly important. Unlike SNARKs, STARKs do not require a trusted setup, eliminating the risk associated with compromised setup parameters. Additionally, STARKs are quantum resistant, meaning they remain secure even against attacks from future quantum computers. While STARK proofs are larger than SNARK proofs and take slightly longer to verify, their transparency and quantum resistance make them attractive for many applications. Zero-knowledge proofs have numerous practical applications in blockchain systems. First, they enable private transactions where you can hide transaction amounts and the identities of senders and receivers while still proving the transaction is valid. Second, they power identity verification systems where you can prove you meet certain requirements, like being over a certain age or holding specific credentials, without revealing your actual personal data. Third, zero-knowledge proofs are crucial for Layer 2 scaling solutions, where thousands of transactions can be validated off-chain and then proven correct on-chain with a single compact proof. Fourth, they enable private voting systems where each vote can be verified as legitimate without revealing how any individual voted. Several blockchain projects are already using zero-knowledge proofs in production. Zcash is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that uses zk-SNARKs to enable shielded transactions, where senders, receivers, and amounts can be completely hidden while still ensuring the transaction is valid. zkSync and StarkNet are Ethereum Layer 2 rollups that use zero-knowledge proofs to dramatically increase transaction throughput. They process thousands of transactions off the main chain and then submit a single proof to Ethereum, confirming all those transactions are valid. Polygon zkEVM is another example, providing an Ethereum virtual machine-compatible rollup that leverages zero-knowledge technology to offer both scalability and security. Let us recap the key points. Zero-knowledge proofs enable proving that a statement is true without revealing any of the underlying information, creating a powerful tool for privacy. Any valid zero-knowledge proof must satisfy three properties: completeness, soundness, and zero-knowledge. zk-SNARKs and zk-STARKs represent two major implementations, each offering different trade-offs. SNARKs provide smaller proofs but require a trusted setup, while STARKs offer transparency and quantum resistance with larger proof sizes. Together, these technologies are transforming blockchain privacy and scalability across the entire ecosystem, enabling use cases that were previously impossible. As zero-knowledge proof technology continues to mature, we can expect even more innovative applications that balance transparency with privacy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.